Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we bring you something special, the most luxurious and expensive gadgets of the year. From tech marvels to objects of desire, we are about to embark on an exciting journey. If you're a tech lover or just like to dream a little, this video is for you. Let's get started. Our first gadget is a limited edition smartphone. This isn't just a phone, it's a tech jewel. Imagine a device that turns heads as soon as you take it out of your pocket. Its casing isn't just any material, we're talking about 24-karat gold. A smartphone that isn't just for utility, but a statement of luxury and exclusivity. But the glitz doesn't stop at the surface. It extends to the screen, a high-resolution curved display that provides immersive visuals, making every pixel a spectacle to behold. And let's not forget about the camera. We're not talking about standard, we're talking about a whopping 108 megapixels. That's right, each photo you take isn't just a memory, it's a high-definition masterpiece. This isn't just a smartphone, it's an experience, a testament to how far technology has come, and a peek into the future of mobile devices. This device will allow you to capture spectacular photos. Moving on to the next gadget, a high-end smartwatch. This isn't your run-of-the-mill timepiece. It's a sleek fusion of fashion and technology, tailored to the modern lifestyle. Crafted with a titanium case and fitted with a genuine leather strap, this watch exudes a luxurious feel that's hard to miss. But it's not all about looks. This smartwatch is also a fitness companion, tracking your physical activities from running to swimming. It keeps a vigilant eye on your heart rate, providing insights into your health and wellness. The watch offers a seamless interface, pairing with your smartphone to deliver notifications right to your wrist. Emails, calls, messages, you name it, all at a glance, without having to dig into your pocket for your phone. This is not just a watch, it's a statement of style and functionality, a testament to how far technology has come in shaping our everyday lives. These headphones are a dream for any music lover. Imagine a world where the hum of the city, the chatter in a cafe, or the drone of an airplane engine doesn't interfere with your favorite tracks. That's the world these premium headphones create, thanks to their state-of-the-art noise cancellation technology. The magic doesn't stop at noise cancellation. These headphones boast an impressively long battery life. You can spend hours lost in the music without worrying about charging. Even on those long-haul flights or marathon study sessions, your soundtrack won't skip a beat. And let's not forget the sound quality. These headphones deliver a rich, immersive audio experience. Every note, every beat, every strum of a guitar comes through with crystal clarity. You're not just listening to music, you're living it. In short, these headphones aren't just a way to listen to music, they're a way to experience it. These headphones will immerse you in an unmatched world of sound. If you love to draw or work in graphic design, this tablet is for you. This high-end tablet is a dream come true for creatives. It boasts an ultra-sensitive touchscreen that responds to the lightest touch, capturing every detail of your artwork with precision. But that's not all. Accompanying this tablet is a state-of-the-art stylus. This isn't your average stylus. It's been designed with a fine tip for precise drawing, and it even has pressure sensitivity, so it can mimic the feel of traditional drawing tools. Whether you're sketching, painting, or designing, this tablet and stylus combo offers a seamless and intuitive interface that feels as natural as drawing on paper. This tablet will allow you to unleash your creativity. Our last gadget is a luxury drone. Imagine soaring high above, capturing the world in an unparalleled 8,000 pixel detail. This isn't just any drone, it's a marvel of modern technology. Its camera boasts a stunning 8K resolution, providing you with crystal clear images and videos that are nothing short of breathtaking. But that's not all. With a 45-minute flight autonomy, you can explore and document a vast expanse of sky and land before needing to recharge. The drone's design is the epitome of elegance, featuring high-quality materials that not only enhance its durability, but also give it a sleek, sophisticated look. This drone will allow you to capture stunning shots from the sky. In summary, these gadgets are impressive in terms of technology and luxury. From the limited edition smartphone with its 24-karat gold casing to the high-end smartwatch tracking your every move. We've seen premium headphones that immerse you in impeccable sound, a high-end tablet that brings your creativity to life, and a luxury drone capturing breathtaking aerial shots. It's exciting to see how far innovation has come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. See you next time. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the most expensive and luxurious gadgets of the moment. We appreciate your time and would love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment or question below. We hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.